Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Dell Docking Station WD19TB step-by-step reset and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Disconnect from the laptop. First, unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from your laptop. Step 2. Unplug the power. Then remove the AC power adapter from the docking station and the wall outlet. Step 3. Drain residual power. Then press and hold the power button on the dock for at least 30 seconds. This will clear any temporary glitches or electrical buildup in the dock's capacitors. Here are some additional troubleshooting steps. If your WD19TB docking station is still experiencing issues, even after the reset, proceed to the following steps. Step 1 is to update drivers and firmware. As outdated drivers can cause hardware malfunctions, so your laptop and dock require the latest versions of the BIOS, Intel Thunderbolt controller driver, Intel Thunderbolt 3 firmware, and Intel graphics driver. You can find these on the Dell drivers and downloads page by entering your dock's service tag. Step 2. Check the Thunderbolt cable. Degradation of the cable is a common cause of failure. Ensure that the Thunderbolt cable is securely connected and isn't physically damaged. Step 3. Test on an alternative setup. Try plugging the dock into a completely different compatible computer to determine whether the issue is with the dock or your primary laptop. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.